Something many of us take for granted. We're talking about our teeth, and if we aren't brushing, flossing, or seeing the dentist regularly, we could be setting ourselves up for some serious health problems. According to the Centers for Disease Control, 16% of kids between the ages of 6 and 19 go without dental care. And for adults between the ages of 19 and 64, it's 23%. Recent studies have shown that gum disease can contribute to or even be a warning sign of a life-threatening disorder like heart disease, stroke, diabetes, even chronic kidney disorder. So taking care of our mouth is a must. The problem? Many Americans don't have access to a dentist because they don't have insurance. If you're one of them, today you can get your teeth taken care of for free. No questions asked. And joining us now live this morning from his Casselberry office is Dr. Tim Chatterley. Thanks so much for being here, Doc.
Oh, thanks for showing up and doing this interview. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Well, all right, I'm looking behind you, and can I see there's already a long line of people out there. Obviously, this is something that people are very interested in. When did you decide to do this and why?
Well, we decided to do this about a month ago. One of my colleagues up in Apopka has been doing it for several years, and we thought this would be a good way to give back to the community, especially with the economy the way it is. And some people, the statistics that are reported don't really reflect what's happening to the families. And we do see that through the patients coming in, that there's people that aren't... Excuse me, there goes a helicopter. There's people that aren't getting the access to the care they need, so we decided to provide a no-charge dental emergency treatment day.
Talk to me, Doc, about what kind of procedures you're expecting to do and what maybe does not categorize as an emergency.
Well, if somebody comes in and wants something cosmetically done, obviously that's not. If somebody's had a toothache and needs routine extraction, they need a filling where a filling's broken, fallen out. Just routine dentistry. As you see, the Sentinel picked this up and put it on their bulletin, and a lot of people responded already. So. We're only able to do the most urgent need, one at a time for the patients, but we're happy to provide the service.
Do you think you're going to be able to get to all those folks? I understand that you've scheduled another session for next week. Is that right? Will that kind of help? If you have to turn people away, they can come back next week?
Well, we already have some rain checks printed up, so if we're not able to get to everybody today, they'll be first in line next week when we're going to do this again next Friday. Same time.
And are you hoping that maybe some other dentists around town follow suit? I know you said you were inspired by a friend of yours in Apopka. Are you hoping some other dentists actually step up to the plate and do something like this as well?
Definitely. Really, Victor and John Gamici set the standard, and his day is next Friday. He's up in Apopka. He takes it to the next level. This is our first time doing this. His practice has been doing this for 8 years, so they'll have 2 opportunities next weekend, up there in Apopka at John Gamici's and down here at my office.
Well, good for you. Dr. Chatterley, thanks so much. Very nice thing you're doing for our community. I know a lot of people certainly appreciate it. Thanks for being with us this morning.
Well, thanks for having me, and I'd like to thank the community. That's why we're doing it, just to give back to the community.
Well, you're a good guy.
All right, thank you.
You're a good guy. Thanks. Live from Great Smiles Dental Office in Casselberry again. So head on out there till 2:30 this afternoon.